constants, and is one of the methods of solving undetermined coefficients. As you are aware that we have solved polynomials, exponentials, and trigonometric functions. But today, let's solve some examples given for constants. So once again, you're given d squared minus 4d equals to 16. If on your particular site you just have one constant, it means that your function is a constant, but the method to solve this, I just say let your yc to be equal to 0. So all this you equate to 0, and you're getting d squared minus 4d is equal to 0. So once again, just let your d to be equivalent to m. So just replace your d with m, and you're getting this m squared minus 4m is equals to 0. So what is common here is m. So m squared, then we remain with that is equals to 0. So your first m is equals to 0, and the other m is equals to 4. Since now you are taking it to the other side. So your yc you are getting as a exponent power 0x plus b exponent power 4x, of which anything power 1 power 0 is 1. So this will just remain a start constant. So exponent power 0, it will just be 1. So you'll remain with the constant a plus b e power 4x. So once again, this is now your answer in this side. So you just go to your yp, and what you normally get, since your function has a constant, you would get the constant of your own, assume it is k x, and this is the function that you will use to differentiate. So first derivative of this, it will give you the x will just disappear, and you remain with k. Then the second derivative of this, if we differentiate the constant, you always get 0. So just take this now, you replace it to your function the way it was, and on your d part, you just it's 0. Second derivative is equivalent to 0, so that one is 0 minus this first derivative 4 into k, this one. Then this one you equate with 16. So as again you are able to see you have negative 4k is equals to 16. Divide through by negative 4, divide through by negative 4. Then you are getting your k as negative 4 also. So once again, your yp, then your answer in yp, it is negative 4x. Then this one now you combine, since you know your final solution, general solution, is given by yc plus yp. But your yc, you already had it was a plus b exponent power 4x minus 4x, and this is the final answer. Alternatively, you can also do another example like this. Let me just clear this and check example 2, whether you also get what is required. So once again, you are given y double prime, which means it's just the second derivative minus first derivative. First derivative, we just write d instead of y prime. So d is equals to 5. So on this side, which is now your y complement, you will just equate with 0. So this will be just d squared minus d divided with 0. But just let your d to be m. So it is m squared minus m is equals to 0. So what is common here? You have your m into m minus 1 is equals to 0. So your first m was 0, but your m minus 1 is equals to 0. Then your m2 is equals to 1. So when you have it like this, your yc, you can just write it as a exponent power, it is 0x plus b exponent power x, 1x. So anything again power 0, it will just give us 1. So that will remain to be a plus this will be b exponent power x. This is your YC. Then you come on the other side of your particular side and you are having just 5. But remember, our guiding principle will you will base on this side y complement, and you are able to see you have a constant without exponent, without x. So once again, you come up with your own constant. You can just say m. So your yp will be mx. When it is mx, let's differentiate. The first derivative of this will give us m, and the second derivative of this p, it is giving us 0. So once again, you just replace all this in your equation, which was this. So on the second derivative, you have 0 minus your first derivative, and you are having m. And this one you are equating with 5. So it is negative m is equals to 5. So your m was negative 5. So once again, your yp, it means it was negative 5 x is your yp. But your final answer, which is now the general solution, which is always given by y complement plus y particular, then you are getting it is a plus b exponent power x minus 5x, and this is the final answer. So that is how you work out with constant.